Hey there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, you are going to see how to access TikTok Shop. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Head over to your web browser and search for TikTok Shop. Once you search for it, you'll see a lot of options. So all you need to do is get over to the TikTok Shop, this website. Once you do this, you will land into this page. Now all you need to do is just to click on login. And just log in with your own account of TikTok. And this is how you can access your TikTok shop. If you're a seller, creator, partner, or shopper, you can access it. Hope this video will help you out, and make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next one.